What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We've got the art therapy sorted out for you this evening. Tonight we are going to be drawing another Lotus Flower. We're going to be drawing this Lotus Flower tonight's show. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a life coach and sketch artist, drawing people's portraits for them, their family members or their pets, and a life coach. I do art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, and I also help people to focus on their careers, remove past trauma, and to fulfill a dream and a life that they want to be leading, all through art therapy sessions. If you'd like to have a session with myself, you can email me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. If you want to check out any of my stuff, any of the testimonials, any of the portraits that I've been creating for people, you can go to my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk. And if you want to check out any of my books, I've been publishing quite a few books as well. We have got gratitude books, we've got journals, we've got colouring books, notebooks. My latest book is a gardener's book. It's a great little gardening book. It helps you to keep track of any of the seeds that you sow, from planting to growing to harvest to transporting. You can jot all that down to this diary. It gives you a nice little tracker to keep track of all of them. You can also have a monthly and yearly goal in there as well that you want to create. And it's also, you've got your weekly tasks, seasonal tasks that you want to be doing, and also there's also a grid in there for you to draw out a plan of your garden. So it's a nice little grid in there for you to plan out. And there's also a shopping list on there for you to put down anything that you need to be getting for your garden, right down in on your shopping list, along with the price of what you're going to be paying for and the shop that you're buying it from. All of that is in this gardener's logbook and journal. Here is the cover of the book and a few of the interiors that I've designed for it. If you want to check it out, purchase this book. Great little gift for any gardening lovers out there. Great gifts for gardeners. Check it out. Go to my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk. The link is in the description below. Check it out, along with all of my other books as well. Obviously, we've got Easter coming up as well. There is a brilliant Easter activity book for kids as well. So if you're looking to get the kids something for their Easter baskets or anything like that. Also on my Redbubble store, there are Easter designs, Easter stickers. If you want to fill up your kids' Easter baskets with some stickers, I've got some brilliant little Easter stickers, sticker packs, all on my Redbubble store. Also, the link is in the description below as well. So last week I did my first TikTok live. It was absolutely brilliant. I totally enjoyed doing my TikTok live. It was really, really good. So now that I'm fully monetized on TikTok, I can do my lives, get tips for when I do my lives, or eventually once I hit my 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 followers, I'll be able to then be properly monetized. And then for every 1,000 views I get on my videos, I'll be able to get paid for that as well. So it's all falling into place really, really nicely. If you want to check out my TikTok, it's Romeo_sketches. Check out my TikTok, follow me on there, and then you'll be notified when I go live. So you can check out my lives. There will be all sorts of drawings, ask me questions. I may even be doing like working on the computer or something like that, going live doing that as well. So you can come along, hit me up with some questions, chill out, watch me draw, ask me questions about drawing. If you've got anything else or if anything you'd like me to draw as well, whenever I put up a video, you can comment on there and see what you'd like me to draw too. That's always a good one to see anything that you'd like me to see draw, or anything that you'd like to see being taught. If you're struggling with something and you want to know how to draw something, you can always hit me up with that as well, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. But not only the TikTok lives, but I didn't do it last Friday because I was working late. But I also do my lives on my YouTube channel as well. So you can come along to that on a Friday, 8 o'clock, chill out, relax, do some drawing, do some Zentangle patterns or Mandala drawings, whatever you want to be drawing. You can go ahead and follow along with me, draw whatever you want to draw, and have a nice chilled out, relaxing Friday evening with myself. It's a very cool evening. That's on a Friday at 8 o'clock. If there is any changes to that, I will let you guys know in my Instagram story, and I'll tell you whether or not it is on or whether it is off. Not only am I growing my TikTok account, but I'm also growing my YouTube account as well. my subscribers, thank you all to who are subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. It's so good to see that people are subscribing to my channel, are liking the things that I'm putting out there. It's not a big lost cause for me or anything, but it's absolutely brilliant. All these subscribers that I'm getting, thank you so much. I'm so humble for all the followers that are sort of liking my work, asking me questions, doing all that sort of stuff, getting into my environment, and really sort of, you know, supporting me in the whole of this art journey that I've been doing, supporting me through my Instagrams, through my TikTok, through my Redbubble store as well, and through my YouTube channel as well. It is absolutely brilliant. I'm absolutely humbled for all the subscribers. I'm still on me sort of 200, so I'm looking to get to 1,000. Hopefully I'll get there this year. I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers. So come on, everybody, you know, hit that subscribe button, you know, share the videos, let everybody know about me, and let's get my channel up to 1,000 subscribers, and then let's push this even further, and let's make this a really, really big art channel. I want to do a lot more things for my art channel, as well as my sort of documentary style stuff that I'm doing, and my how to draw videos and my art therapy stuff as well. So it's all great content for you guys, helping you, you know, to fulfill a dream, fulfill any sort of skills that you think you may not have, draw those skills out of yourself, and help you to, and that's what I want to be doing, is helping you guys to fulfill any dreams, you know, any sort of skills, and really help you guys out in fulfilling that dream, and, you know, that passion that you guys want to be doing, and have that goal and that lifestyle that you guys want to be leading. So if you're up for any of that stuff, check out any of the things that I do, ask me any questions, hit me up with some emails if you're struggling with anything, and I'll be sure to help you with anything that you guys are requiring any help in. Let's move on to today's drawing video. Like I said at the beginning of the show, we are going to be drawing this very cool lotus flower. It's a really, really cool lotus flower. I love drawing these little flowers, as well as the mandala drawings and my animal mandalas as well. This is a really cool one to be doing. Great little tattoo design as well. You can have this as a tattoo as well. So what are we all waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did, and hit us up with some comments if you want to see me drawing anything else. If you are drawing anything as well, I want to see some of these drawings that you guys are doing. If you're following any of my tutorials or anything, hit me up on Instagram at Romeo_sketches. I want to see some of those works that you guys have been doing. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches. Signing off. Peace out.